Ria was a shy college student. Every day she spent hours watching short videos on her phone. She loved watching Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, but she always felt, I can never make videos like these. One rainy day, Ria was walking home. She saw an old man selling flowers on the street. No one was buying his flowers. He looked very tired and sad. Ria's heart felt heavy. She wanted to help him. Instead of buying just one flower, she bought all the flowers he had. Then she had an idea. She started giving the flowers to people on the street. She gave one to a mother with a crying baby. She gave one to a teenager sitting alone. She gave one to a bus driver who looked very tired. Each time she saw their faces light up with a smile. She recorded these little moments with her phone. That night, Ria made a short video from her clips. She added soft music. At the end, she wrote, "Small acts of kindness can create big ripples." She posted the video online and went to sleep. The next morning, Ria woke up to a big surprise. Her phone was full of notifications. Her video had thousands of likes, shares, and comments. People were writing, "This is so beautiful," and "Let's spread kindness too." A local TV channel wanted to talk to her. A famous social media star shared her video and said, "This made my day." But the best part was what happened in real life. People found out about the old flower seller's story. His wife was sick and he needed money for her medicine. After Ria's video, many people came to buy flowers from him. Some gave extra money. Some just said hello. Because of one small act, his life became a little easier. Ria learned an important lesson. Social media is not only for fun or showing off. It can be a powerful tool to do good. A real, simple moment can reach more people than a perfect, edited video. After that, Ria kept making videos. She did not want to be famous. She wanted to spread hope and kindness. She always remembered one thing. No matter how advanced the world gets, kindness will always be in trend. Moral: a small act of kindness, when shared with true feelings,